She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the Logitech Crayon. So, as you can see, I've got my little Yoda sitting here with me and we're going to unbox it. So, as you can see, on the front of the packaging, we have the Logitech branding and on the back, just some basic information about the product. On this side, we have information and things that we can do with the pen and the things that they advertise the pen for. So at the top there's a pull tab. Inside the packaging there are two slots, one containing the pen itself and the other containing paperwork. As you can see here briefly, I have purchased the pen in the orange colour, as Logitech calls it. No cool names or anything like that. And in the other side of the packaging, we can see we have quite a lot of paperwork. So I'm going to set them off to the side and we'll have a look at them. So taking the pen out of the packaging, it is very light to hold. The design is unique. It's not the same as the Apple Pencil, but it is a unique design. And the pen itself charges via a lightning cable, so there's no need to buy any extra cables. Only cost me £60 in the UK. No offers or anything, so £60, and this is going to last you for a good few years. Also in the box we had the pamphlets, and on the back of this pamphlet there is a cool doodle, and I think this is meant to represent what you can create with the pen. I'm not really 100% sure. And then there's this boring old manual, but that no one's going to read anyway.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Please make sure you subscribe, like, and turn on post notifications. See you next time.
There must be something about the features. You'll find the beauty goes much deeper once you get to me.